Have you ever been scrolling through your social media feed, maybe late at night, and thought, wow, this platform just gets me? You see a video about a niche hobby you just picked up, an ad for a product you were just talking about with a friend, and a news article on a topic you were secretly curious about. It's like magic, right? Well, it's not magic. It's algorithms. And today, we're going to demystify these powerful digital sorcerers that curate our online worlds. First off, what even is an algorithm? In simple terms, it's a set of rules or instructions a computer follows to solve a problem or complete a task. For social media platforms, the main task is to keep you engaged. They want you to stay on their app for as long as possible, because the longer you stay, the more ads you see, and the more money they make. It's a business, after all. So, how do they do it? They collect data, a lot of data. Every single action you take on a platform is a signal. When you like a post, that's a signal. When you share a video, that's a strong signal. Even just pausing to look at a picture for a few seconds longer than others is a signal. They track what accounts you follow, what stories you watch, who you interact with in the comments, what you search for, and even information from your profile like your age and location. Let's take a platform like TikTok or Instagram Reels. Their algorithms are famously effective. When you first join, they might show you a wide variety of popular content to see what you bite. Did you watch that whole cat video? They'll show you more cat videos. Did you quickly scroll past a dance trend? They'll show you fewer of those. The algorithm is constantly learning from your behavior, building a complex profile of your interests. It gets so specific that it can distinguish between someone who likes golden retriever puppies and someone who prefers German Shepherd puppies. It's not just about what you like, but also about who you know. Platforms like Facebook and LinkedIn heavily factor in your social connections. They'll prioritize content from your close friends and family based on how often you interact with them. If you comment on your cousin's photos every day, you're almost guaranteed to see their next post at the top of your feed. This is what we call the social graph. The algorithm assumes that content from people you're close to is more relevant and engaging for you. Another key ingredient is newer content is often prioritized because it's more likely to be timely and relevant. That's why you often see posts from a few minutes or hours ago, rather than from last week. However, this isn't a strict rule. If a post from 3 days ago is suddenly going viral and getting a ton of engagement, the algorithm might push it back into people's feeds, thinking, hey, everyone loves this. You might too. This creates a feedback loop where popular content gets even more popular. Now, let's talk about the recommendation engine, which is where things get really interesting. This is the part of the algorithm that suggests new content or accounts you might like. It works by finding patterns. It might say, people who liked video A also tended to like video B. Since you liked video A, it predicts you'll probably like video B and shows it to you. This is called collaborative filtering. It's like having a million digital friends recommending stuff to you based on shared tastes. They also use something called content-based filtering. The algorithm analyzes the content itself. It uses keywords, hashtags, and even image recognition to understand what a post is about. If you've watched a lot of videos about baking sourdough bread, it will search for other videos with tags like hashtag SOURDOUGH, hashtag baking, or hashtag bread making and serve them up to you. This is how you can fall down a rabbit hole and suddenly find yourself an expert on a topic you knew nothing about an hour ago. So, this all sounds pretty cool, right? Our feeds are perfectly tailored to us. But there are some downsides we need to be aware of. The biggest one is the creation of filter bubbles, or echo chambers. Because the algorithm is designed to show you what you like and agree with, you can end up in a space where you rarely see opposing viewpoints or different perspectives. If you're only shown content that confirms your existing beliefs, it can reinforce them to an extreme, making it harder to have conversations with people who think differently. It can polarize us. Furthermore, algorithms are designed to maximize engagement, and often, the content that gets the most engagement is shocking, outrageous, or emotionally charged. This can lead to the amplification of misinformation or sensationalized news because it gets a lot of clicks, shares, and angry comments. The algorithm doesn't judge whether the content is true or helpful. It just sees that it's getting a lot of attention and pushes it to more people. So what can we do about this? we're not powerless. First, be a conscious consumer. Understand that what you're seeing is not an objective view of the world. It's a personalized reality created just for you. Actively seek out different perspectives. Follow accounts or creators who challenge your views. Use features like "show me less of this" or "not interested" to actively train the algorithm. When you tell it what you don't want to see, you're giving it valuable feedback that helps refine your feed in a more intentional way. You can also curate your own experience. Make lists of friends on Facebook to see their posts specifically, or subscribe to newsletters from sources you trust to get information outside of the algorithmic feed. Take breaks from social media to reset your perspective and engage with the world offline. Ultimately, social media algorithms are incredibly powerful tools. They can connect us with communities, help us discover new passions, and keep us informed. But they are tools designed with a specific goal in mind: to capture and hold our attention. By understanding how they work, we can take back control, use them more mindfully, and ensure that we are curating our digital lives, instead of letting our digital lives curate us. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this explanation helpful, give this video a like and consider subscribing for more deep dives into the digital world we live in. Let me know in the comments what you think about algorithms. Love them, hate them, or something in between. See you in the next one.